look at SaaS-WA, a powerful platform for managing your WhatsApp business communication. With SaaS-WA, you can send messages, automate replies, manage customer chats, and track performance all in one place. So let's get started. So here you can see the whole chats. So here you can see the whole chats. So first we are going to take a look of user management. Here you can able to see who are the users are added here. First I'm going to add a new user. To add a new user, you have to click the add user button. Here I'm going to type my name and address, email address, and create a password. Once you've done this, click save button. Here you can able to see the user invited successfully. Send the invitation to their mail. You have to click the invite button. Invitation email was sent. Here you can able to see the invitation and click the accept invitation. The account accepts successfully. So now you can able to see the invitation is accept successfully. And now let's move to the lead boards. This section helps you visually manage your task, chat, or workflows in the organized way. Each task is shown as a card and you can move it between the columns as the work processes. Like this. You can simply drag and drop the cards from one column to another to update the status. So you can also customize the column based on the workflow by clicking this edit button and rename it. So now I'm going to drag this chat to the process. See, now you can see the conversation is moved. With the chat, you can able to assign the people who are added in the user management. By clicking this, you can add the assigned people. So conversation assigned is successfully. And you can also able to add the labels by clicking this edit button by important chat or urgent chat or customer support or SaaS-WA like this. Once you're done, click the done button. And also you can able to see the stage history. Once it's moved to the inbox to the to do and to do to the progress stage. This will easily handle and watch the history of the stages. Once the sales is completed, you have to drag to the sales complete section. Here you can see once they complete the sales, so they can restart their sales order. Found this helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.